Good morning and welcome to People Online. This time we intend to do a series on HR analytics. The scope, however, is restricted to the very basics with an emphasis on applications, particularly those kind of applications that require less resources to run and perhaps can be best described as low-hanging fruits.
Session 15, Reliability of a Test. Contents. In this video, we are covering what is reliability, measures of reliability, and an exercise. What is reliability? Reliability refers to the consistency of scores obtained by the same subjects when they undergo re-examination using the same instrument or its equivalent or under different examining conditions. Measures of reliability. There are four popular measures of reliability. These are A. Test-retest reliability, B. Alternate form reliability, C. Split-half test reliability, and D. Cronbach's alpha. Test-retest reliability. This method measures the stability of the instrument. A measure is said to be stable if it gives consistent results with repeated measurement of the same person with the same instrument. As an indicator of stability, scores generated by such repeated measurement of several subjects should show a strong correlation. Alternate form reliability. Here, the retest is carried out using a different form of the same test. These two tests are called parallel tests and contain equivalent items. Like before, the correlation between the two test scores would indicate the degree of reliability. Higher the correlation, better would be the reliability. Split-half test reliability. Here, the test items are split into two equal groups. Subsequently, scores of one half is correlated with the scores of the other half. In case a strong correlation is established, it shows that the results of the two parts of the test are consistent. The formula for calculating reliability from the correlation score is R, that is capital R, which is reliability, is equal to 2 into small r is correlation coefficient, divided by 1 plus r. Cronbach's alpha. Cronbach's alpha determines the homogeneity of a test. The reliability coefficient alpha is, in a way, an average of all split-half coefficients arising out of different splittings of a test. Alpha values can be used to identify weak items in the following manner. Alpha values can be computed several times, every time leaving out an item. So if there are n items, there could be n alpha values if we cover all items. We can then easily identify the items for which the alpha value improved when they were left out from the pack. These items would have to be eliminated. Needless to say, higher the alpha value, better is the reliability. Let's take up an exercise. The split-half scores for an aptitude test using 50 items in all and having 2 marks for a right answer is given below. Totally 20 people wrote the test. What is the reliability for the test? Would you like to try this on your own? We have the answer on the following slide. So what we did was, because all the variables here, these are basically, test scores we are dealing with, continuous data. So we did Pearson product moment correlation between H1 and H2. What is H1? H1 is is basically one half. You could say the first half of the test, and H2 is the second half of the test. So for every person, we are seeing what is scored in the first half and what is scored in the second half, right? And then we run a correlation to see whether the scores in the first half is consistent with the scores in the second half, right? That's what we see here. In fact, we are seeing a very high R value of 0.981, small r, which is the correlation coefficient, and corresponding to that, we are getting a reliability score, capital R, of 0.99. So we can conclude that yes, the questionnaire that we've got, the test that we've got, seems to be reliable. So what did we cover here? We covered what is reliability, then we looked at measures of reliability, and finally we also saw a worked out example.
Thank you for watching. If you could relate to the video, if you found it to be useful, do like and share. Do subscribe to our channel. Press the bell button to stay tuned in for our next video. Until then, goodbye.